In that growing era of online business in Pakistan, Dukan.pk is an online marketplace, launched in Pakistan. In this video, I'll show you how you can earn from Dukan.pk by making an online store in this marketplace. Hello friends, welcome to Technology Crash. Dukan.pk is providing an online application on which you would be able to create your e-commerce store. Something different is, it will provide you a specified website link, on which your all products will be added. And you would be able to share that link anywhere to grab your audience. Other features include sales report, kata register, and much more. Let's see how to create online store in Dukan.pk. In step 1, you need to download its application from Play Store or App Store. In next steps, click on Create Web Store, put all the details, and it will move you towards OTP verification. After verification, set your business name and web store address. This address will be used to share anywhere to your customers. On next stage, enter your store details and your store will be created successfully. Now, how to add products in Dukan.pk. Click on My Products, then Add Product. Add all the details of your product, which includes product title, description, pictures, inventory and price. Click Enter and your product will be created. You can view your orders in View Orders tab. Another important feature in Dukan.pk is kata register, where you can keep your customer records and much more. You can also view sales report in this app. In Settings tab, you would be able to add payment methods, and if you would like to print invoices, you can set up printer settings from here. For marketing your products, open Marketing tab and share your web address anywhere in the social media platforms. Dukan.pk is one of the futuristic product in 2022. If you start from today, you would be able to make a better place in the market and earn money quickly. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.